What is going on YouTube? So you clicked on this video because you're searching for a working method to get EA Play for free in 2024, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to be showing you a method of getting a code that you can redeem, and it's going to credit you a 12-month free EA Play subscription, and it only takes a few minutes of your time. So sit back, relax, make sure you follow these instructions that I'm going to show you, and let's get you that free EA Play. Okay, so without further ado, let's show you how you can get your EA Play subscription. So you've got to go to this website, guys, on your mobile phone, www.topdogcodes.com. So you need to go to Top Dog Codes, guys. Awesome website. They specialize in saving you money across pretty much anything you can think of. As you can see on my screen, they have so many different pages. It's going to be quite difficult to find the EA Play page if you do not search for it. So let's go to the search bar here and type in EA Play. Make sure you type it correctly. And you're looking for the EA Play free subscription page. Click on this and scroll down. Now you can see we have a option for a free 12-month EA Play subscription, and this is essentially going to give you a redeemable code that you can literally redeem in the EA Play website, and it's going to give you the 12-month subscription. So go to show coupon here, and you need to unlock your code, guys. As you can see, there's a bunch of stars here, so these codes are protected. Obviously they're worth quite a bit of money, so this just prevents people from stealing all of the codes. So to get your EA Play subscription code, you need to tap this unlock now button. Now I'm not going to run through the entire process because I don't actually need another EA Play membership, but you're going to see a new screen appear, and yeah, it's going to tell you how to get your code. It takes around 5 minutes, guys, which is well worth it considering the cost of a membership. So yeah, just follow the instructions. You need to sort of complete a couple of these free tasks to verify yourself, and that's going to give you your subscription code. So go to topdogcodes.com and just follow through all of the instructions. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Please like the video if you got your EA Play subscription. So everyone watching this, let's see if we can get 100 likes on this video. And yeah, enjoy, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.